Security officials serve as HARP's partners in maintaining system security by ensuring that only approved users have access to their organization's roles. A security official's core responsibilities include approving individuals for access to various programs within their organization, removing access when it's no longer needed, and fully revoking access when someone leaves the organization. Each organization should maintain a minimum of 2 active security officials to ensure there is someone always available to perform the responsibilities of a security official. Access the security official application by requesting the role through HARP's role request platform. First, log into HARP, then request via user roles. Once your request has been approved, the security official link should appear in your account's navigation bar. Click on the security official link. The role request page allows security officials to view a table of all pending role requests for programs they manage. Here you can filter the pending role requests by program by selecting from the drop-down options at the top of the table. To approve requests, select one or multiple checkboxes on the left of each request and click Approve at the bottom of the page. Verify the selected request and confirm the approval, otherwise click Cancel. To reject requests, you can select one or multiple checkboxes, then click Reject at the bottom of the page. Verify the selected request, enter a reason for rejection, then confirm the rejection or click Cancel. If you have selected multiple requests to reject, the same reason for rejection will be applied for all of the selected requests. If you would like to search for a user, select the User Lookup link on the left side navigation bar. Here, you can look up specific users or view lists of users within the program. To view specific users, enter a first name, last name, user ID, or email in the search field and click the Search button. To view users in a program or organization, select from the 2 drop-downs. Selecting a program will autofill the organization, then click Search. Click on a user's name to view their user profile. Here, you can see their profile information and a list of their approved roles. If you are a security official for one of their approved roles, you can remove the role by clicking Remove on the right of the row. Confirm that you want to remove the role by clicking Remove again. Otherwise, click Cancel. If you would like to see all the roles that have been approved or rejected, select the Request History link on the left side navigation bar. You can search for a specific role request by the name of the requesting user or by the role request ID in the search bar at the top of the table. To see details of a past role request, just click View. You can also click the user's name to open their profile. From there, you can manage their roles just like on the User Lookup page. After you approve or reject a role, an email is sent to the requester with the status. Due to processing times, it may take up to a minute for updates to appear in the Security Official application. We hope you found this helpful. For any additional information on HARP security officials, please visit harp.cms.gov/help.